Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing Colab so the environment is stable and repeatable. Mount Drive and upload your trained model file, PKL, PT plus a minimal requirements. TXT, this ensures you can reinstall exact packages, install Flask and ngrok, or use local tunnel so Colab can receive HTTP traffic. Once done, create a lightweight app folder and a simple app. PySkeleton that loads the model at import time. This minimizes latency on first request and keeps your process deterministic. You now implement the core Flask endpoints and wiring. Define a /predict post route that parses JSON, runs preprocessing, calls model. Predict then formats a JSON response. This isolates I/O from model logic. Load the model at module import to avoid reloading per request and ensure thread safety if using Unicorn. Once implemented, run basic unit tests locally in the notebook to validate shapes and types. Because catching type mismatches now avoids runtime 500 errors later. You finish by exposing the server and validating end-to-end behavior. Start the Flask app under Unicorn or Flask Run, then launch ngrok to create a public HTTPS tunnel. This lets external clients hit your Colab-hosted endpoint. Test with a few real payloads and check logs for shape or inference latency issues. Make sure to handle JSON errors gracefully. If things break, check dependency versions and model path first. Mismatched package versions or wrong file paths cause most runtime failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.